I've got the instructions, but look at all these pieces. I think we're gonna need help. What do you think, Pup? Whoa! What was that? I think it's PJ Masks. Hey, Owlet. Hi, Catboy. And it's Gecko, too. Hi, PJ Masks. I can't believe you're here.
Hey, Wiz Kids. Hi, Wiz Kids. We're here to help.
Gecko's here and ready to go.
We're here and ready to build. Wow, there sure are a lot of pieces. Owlet, Gecko, we need to help the Wiz Kids. Let's help them build this marble run. When you're building, you have to start with the foundation. Into the night to save the day. Let's get to work.
Right, Owlet, let's get building.
The PJ Masks are right. You always start with the foundation when you're building. Let's get building. First, I'll pop this yellow and then this orange piece in. There we go. And another orange piece. Here's some more yellow pieces. And now a gray piece. Here's a white piece. I think the little pup is telling us to hurry up.
We got the foundation done.
That's right, Gecko. I can do the yellow base then. And here's the yellow support column. Let's pop these pieces in so we can start playing. Wow, look at them go.
Wow, that was a lot of work.
Gecko power. Catboy can build.
I'll pop this white piece in.
Owlet can build too.
Me too.
Gecko power.
Here's a white piece.
Here's a big orange piece.
The marble run's really going together now. Now it's time for the musical staircase. We'll put it right here, 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 and here. When the gumballs hit the metal plates, they'll make a real pretty sound.
This flower is yellow.
You're doing a great job, Wiz Kids. Yeah.
Now I'll attach this yellow piece.
Here we go with some fast action. This will get it together quickly. That's some serious PJ Masks power.
Yay, we did it! We finished the marble run.
PJ Masks saved the day. The hard work is done. Let's play.
Now we get to test the marble run.
The PJ Masks are right. It's time to test our new marble run. I can't wait. We'll start by loading these plastic marbles into the hopper on top. Look at them go! Down the chute. Around the upper corner. And down the musical staircase. That's super fun! Let's look at it from another angle. And now let's slow it down so we can really see what's happening. Wow, look at them go! Here come the marbles around the last corner. And now the marbles land in the landing chute. Our marble run's working great. We're ready for the marble run competition.
Wiz Kids, stay tuned for the next video.
We're gonna have the marble run challenge.
Yeah! Can't wait! Thanks for your help today, Wiz Kids.
Yeah, the Wiz Kids did great.
Whiz Kids, You heard Catboy and Gecko. Be sure and watch the next video where the PJ Masks have their big marble run competition for an exciting prize. Bye Owlet, bye Gecko, bye Catboy, and bye WizKids. Thanks for watching.